In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub organization. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First things first, grab your device and head over to github.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, so go ahead and do that. Once you're signed in, you'll see your dashboard. Now to create an organization, we're going to click on your profile icon, which is located in the top right corner of the page. When you click on that, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to select the option that says Your Organizations. It's usually near the top. This is where you'll find any organizations you're currently a part of, and it's also where you'll initiate the process for creating a new one. Once you're in the Organizations section, look for a button that says New Organization. This is the place where all the magic begins. Clicking on it will set you on the path toward establishing your own organization on GitHub. Now here comes a critical step, selecting a plan. GitHub offers various options, and many users start with the free plan, which is perfect for teams or individuals who are just starting. It provides essential features without any cost, so go ahead and select that option unless you have specific needs that require one of the paid plans. Once you've chosen your plan, it's time to fill in some details about your organization. You'll be required to enter your organization's name. This name will not only identify your organization, but will also form part of the URL, so choose something memorable and relevant. Along with the name, you'll also need to put in a primary contact email address. This will be used for any communication regarding the organization, so make sure it's an email you check regularly. After entering those details, you'll see prompts guiding you to configure your organization further. You'll have the option to add members during this step. If you're setting up the organization just for yourself to start, you can choose to skip this part for now. However, if you have team members you'd like to invite right away, go ahead and add their emails to include them in your new org. Once you've filled everything out and reviewed the information to ensure it's correct, you'll need to confirm your details. Just follow the final prompts to wrap things up. After that, you'll see a confirmation that your organization has been created. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a new GitHub organization. Congratulations! You can now start exploring the various features and possibilities that come with managing your own space on GitHub. If you ever have questions or need assistance along the way, feel free to check in with the GitHub support documentation or even circle back to this video for additional tips. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Happy coding, everyone!